Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl on your PC. Playing these fantastic games on your computer is quite straightforward with the right tools. We'll walk through the simple steps to get everything set up. You'll need a moderately powerful computer, a free emulator program, and your game files. It's an easy method to enjoy your favorite Pokémon adventures on a larger screen or with different control options. First, you'll need to download and install a Nintendo Switch emulator. Popular choices like Yuzu or Ryujinx are excellent, free options. Visit their official websites to get the latest version for your operating system. Make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor for the best experience. After installation, launch the emulator and follow any on-screen prompts for initial configuration, which usually takes just a few moments. Next, you'll need to obtain your game files for Pokémon Brilliant Diamond or Shining Pearl. These are often referred to as ROMs. Additionally, you'll require the console's firmware and decryption keys to allow the emulator to run the games properly. These files are crucial for the emulator's functionality. Once you have them, place them into the specific folders that your emulator designates. This step is vital for the emulator to recognize and load your games. Finally, it's time to configure your settings and start playing. Open your emulator and locate your game file to load it. Then, head into the settings to set up your controls. You can use a keyboard or connect a gamepad. Adjust graphics and audio options to balance visual quality with smooth performance. Once everything is set to your liking, save your configuration and launch the game. You are now ready to embark on your Pokémon journey on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.